Good morning, children. This is Shrival speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a very new chapter that is about parts and wholes of math magic. As of now, we have completed the three chapters of chapter 1, 2, and 3, which are coming in exam. So we are going to start a very new chapter. That is chapter 4. It's about parts and whole. So, children, before we start this chapter, we need to understand what is parts and wholes and why so it's important. Children, the very first thing that we need to understand, the parts means broken piece of a complete thing. For an example, it's a piece of a stick, and I have broken it into three equal pieces. This is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. It's broken into three equal parts. So children, as it was a complete stick before, so before before breaking this stick, the name of the part of this stick was complete part, or a complete portion, or a whole portion. This is why it is called whole part or whole. WHOLE. Whole means a complete portion is called whole. So when I'm breaking this piece of stick into three equal parts, each part is 1 by 3. It's 1 by 3, it's 1 by 3, and this is 1 by 3. Now question comes, that's why it is 1 by 3. Why it is said to be 1 by 3? Because it's one part out of, there are three equal parts. This is the one part of three equal parts. So it is 1 by 3. This one is also 1 by 3, and this is also 1 by 3. So it's each part is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now, so what is this 1 by 3 is known as? These are called fraction. These are, each individual parts are called fraction. For an example, I have got a piece of a biscuit, a circular biscuit, and we are 4 friends. So what I did, I need to give equal pieces, equal shares to my friends along with me. So I made it into 4 equal parts. So before the breaking the biscuit, it was a whole part or a 1. So as I have broken it into 4 equal pieces, so each part is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and it's 1 by 4. So each individual part is 1 by 4. I hope it's clear to everybody. Right? So this is the basic concept of, it's a basic concept of fraction and whole. So whole can be anything. Any complete piece or any complete figure is known as whole. WHOLE. Now when we're talking about the parts means the broken pieces of it is called parts. Suppose children, suppose I am drawing one rectangle, and I have asked somebody to draw 3 equal parts with different colors. So suppose a child named Ayan. What Ayan is doing over here, Ayan is shading this part with giving colors or applying colors over here, yellow, this part as suppose red, and this part suppose as green. So these are the 3 different colors of 3 different parts of equal measures has been made. So it was a complete one, and each part is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3. These all are fractions. These all are fractions. These are the fractions of this complete one. I hope it's clear to everybody now. Now children, if we start the exercise or the chapter parts and wholes, there are some activities have been said. The same thing which has been said in this exercise. Now they are asking us to draw one figure. Suppose we have drawn an Indian flag. Okay, it will be quite helpful to you to understand. Suppose it's an Indian flag. We know it's a tricolored flag. Okay, there are many tricolored flags can be found in the world. Our Indian flag is one of them. So as we all know that there are 3 different colors. Okay, first one is like the topmost one is either orange or saffron, whatever you prefer to say. We can say orange, the middle one is white and the bottom one is green, and in the center there is a Ashok Chakra, a circle. Question is that all these three parts, are they equal right now? So before drawing Ashok Chakra, the all individual parts were, all these parts were same, or the fractions were same. All were 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3. But right now, the moment I'm drawing Ashok Chakra at the center of the flag, it cannot be 1 by 3 anymore, because these two parts are same, but this one is lesser than 1 by 3 due to the presence of the Ashok Chakra at the center of this like portion or the part. So this is what like was to tell you actually. Suppose children, there is one more like flag we can see. If I imagine it's to be a 4 equal parts, the logo is here. So the logo cannot be a 1/4 of it, because this one is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. The whole this part is 1 by 4, but the logo do not fill the entire 1 by 4. Okay children, so this is to be kept in mind. So I hope you all understood about the basic concepts of fractions and the whole part. Recapitulations, as a recapitulations, whole means a complete one, and fraction means the broken pieces of it. If it is in equal shares or equal parts, then it will be done accordingly. Suppose 3 equal parts, so each part is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, like that. So I hope it's clear to everybody. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Children, these concepts will be repeated in higher classes as well. So please have a very concrete concept about all these things. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.